Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we've been drawing animated character couples for the past few weeks. We drew Fred and Wilma Flintstone and their best friends and neighbors Barney and Betty Rubble recently from Hanna-Barbera's classic The Flintstones. And so it's only right that today we draw George and Judy Jetson from Hanna-Barbera's space-age progeny of the Flintstones, the Jetsons. While the Jetsons didn't have as long of an original run as the Flintstones, it became a cultural touchstone through decades of reruns, later revivals in the 1980s, and even a feature film in 1990, cementing its legacy as one of the most iconic visions of the future in animation history. Just as a reminder, everything I draw in these videos is the first time I'm drawing it, no practice. I say that to let you know that the Level Up cartooning process works, and it will work for you too. Okay, so let's draw. We're going to draw George and Judy Jetson step by step, giving you the secret formula so you can draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character should be. While George is taller than Judy, they're both a little over 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall you draw their heads, their entire bodies are a little over 3 of those tall, with their feet sticking out at the bottom. Okay, so let's draw a roadmap for today's pose of George and Judy Jetson. So there's a roadmap of the Jetsons. Now before we go on to step 2, I want to break down both characters using simple shapes for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Alright, so now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. This is where we use light guidelines to help place George and Judy's eyes, noses, mouths, and some of their other features. Remember, the guidelines are there to guide you, but you don't want them there in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for George and Judy Jetson. Alright, so there are the roughed out features for George and Judy Jetson. Now the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. This is where we get to draw the final details of George and Judy Jetson. Because we've already done all the hard work, we're not guessing anymore. Now would be the time to take a moment to clean up your lines and make small adjustments before committing to those final lines. But even when you're drawing those final lines, you want to always be looking for ways to improve your drawing all the way until the very end. Alright, so let's draw in the final details for George and Judy Jetson. And that's how you do it. There you have it. Hanna-Barbera's iconic couple from the future, George and Judy Jetson. So how do you think you did? Understand, if this is the first time you've ever drawn George and Judy before, you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our couple during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing George and Judy Jetson. And with that, you could draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of George and Judy Jetson. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.